Welcome, today I'm with me Google Pixel 6a and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. After that, you'll see here the ring notification volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the left side with your finger, the white dot, and after that you will see that your ringtones they are muted. If you want to do it by the second way, you should press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that click here on these three dots and you will open the same just volume panels here. And just to mute your device ringtone by the same way, just hold and swipe to the left. Okay, one more time, hold and swipe to the left side, these white dots, then just tap here to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.